Review of a brass nut, saddle and peg set. But is it brass? This is one of those items that's available all over the internet. You can find them at Amazon, eBay and many other places where you might buy luthier tools and guitar parts. Now, because there's no name attached to it, it's very difficult to isolate it so you can bring it to people's attention. However, it's pretty obvious when you're looking at this item because they all look the same and they go for between £5 and £10. I bought the set I'm going to review today from eBay, and as you can see here, it's clearly described as being brass. So let's take a look at it. The items arrived in one of those lightweight plastic bags, so let's take a look inside that. And inside the plastic bag is another plastic bag that contains the items, and all looks good so far. Right, let's take them out of the bag so we can take a closer look at them. Taking them out of the bag, they are solid metal and they do feel really nice and they look very brassy. If anything, they're a little too shiny, but that might be due to a lacquer, so we'll see this in a minute. And I'm happy to say everything's there as per the eBay listing. 1 saddle, 1 nut and 6 pegs. And what I'll do first is I'll actually compare them to something I know is real brass. Normally I make my own brass components for the guitar, so I've got some pieces of high quality brass here that I'm comparing with these components to see how it lines up with the feel and the colour of the brass. That way at least we'll get an idea if it's anything like brass. And the colour is pretty much bang on, so far they are looking very much like they are brass. So let's continue. If we take a closer look at the nut, you can see it does look brassy. However, the surface is a little strange, but they might have cast the brass, and I'm not used to this sort of surface as I finish mine by hand. So it could be brass, and it feels heavy and cold, so it's definitely metallic. So with the nut, I can't be completely sure. Now let's take a look at one of the pegs. Well, there's nothing giving away the fact that this isn't brass, and it could well be. The colour's right, and if it's plated or coated, they've covered every last part of the peg, so there's no base metal showing through. And in fairness, the pegs have very little to do with the resonance of the guitar, as all the vibration is picked up by the saddle, so even if it's not brass, it's not really going to make any difference to the sound of the guitar. And aesthetically it looks fine. Okay, I think the only way I'm going to be able to establish if any of these items are brass is actually to sand down the surface slightly. So I'm going to start doing this on the saddle, because the saddle would have to be reshaped quite a lot anyway before it'll fit the guitar I've got in mind for it. So let's sand off the bottom and see what we get. Now, sanding this, it doesn't feel like brass at all. Brass is actually quite a soft metal and it files down quite easily, so resizing something like a saddle isn't that hard, and this is really hard to sand down. I'm barely taking anything off it. Now let's take a look. There you go, and you can see clearly it's just brass coloured, and underneath the brass is some sort of white metal. I mean, it could be something decent like stainless steel, but the chances are it's just steel. So this definitely is not brass. Right, let's repeat this exercise again, but this time with the nut, and see how that sands down. And once again, it's very hard. I'm barely taking anything off it, and I think I can more or less say even now this is not brass. There you go, can you see that? I'll just take a little more off. Right, this is definitely not brass again, it's some form of white metal. And you can see it clearly there, where I've sanded it off on the bottom. That's definitely a white metal, whilst the tops remain brass, the bit I haven't sanded. With the saddle and the nut not being brass, this is pretty poor, because these two parts of the guitar do affect resonance, and on an acoustic guitar, a good brass nut and saddle can improve your tone. And for people who don't like the idea of bone on the guitar, it's the only really good option. However, if they're selling you white metal, I have no idea how this affects the resonance, and apart from this, it's virtually impossible to work. And when you install a new saddle on a guitar, most of the time you'll have to take off at least a few millimeters to make sure that your action remains good height. Well, so far everything I've tested hasn't been brass. Let's see if the pegs are brass. I really doubt they are, as none of the other stuff has been brass, but I'll sand a bit off the tip so I can still use them, but I can identify if they're not brass just from the tip. And once again, definitely not brass, definitely some sort of white metal. So, this item, which is described as being brass, is definitely nothing brass about it at all, except the colouring. Now, I've even got myself questioning myself now, so I'm just going to recheck this listing and see exactly what it says. Right, you can see there in the title it says 6-piece guitar brass, bridge, pin, saddle, nut replacement, parts for acoustic, guitar, that's suggested. So it definitely says brass. Doesn't mention brass there, however it's got lots of pictures of it. The pictures aren't inaccurate, they're good ones. Right, down here, a brass pillow, piano pillow, okie dokie. Right, it mentions the benefits of brass down there. And it says down there, made of durable brass. And it also says material brass. So they're definitely making the claim that this is brass when it isn't. And ironically, the only thing they could say honestly is the thing's coloured brass, and they've called it coloured gold. So there isn't one honest thing on this listing. It's pretty shocking really, isn't it? Because this particular item is sold by so many people in so many places, I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt first. So I'm going to message them and ask them if they're aware that the item they're selling as brass isn't brass at all. And it gives me the option here to send a picture, so I will. I'll send a picture that shows it's definitely not brass. Seems a bit pointless, but I'll ask them to respond, and hopefully we'll get a response. Anyhow, I asked for a response, and I got one. Dear, I had no idea we were getting on so well. Would you please tell us more details? I gave them all the details I could give. So I've sent them a message back explaining in about 3 different ways that the items they claim are made of brass aren't brass. However, I'm not going to get my money back, and I wouldn't expect it, because I've sanded the bases off all the components. So the best place for these components is the bin. Normally, if these components were at least reasonable, I'd do a big fuss about testing them and checking their sizes and actually putting them on a guitar. However, I can tell you straight away they won't fit. If we look at the saddle alongside another saddle, it's at least 5mm too big. And I'm not going to ruin any guitar to try and fit this saddle in it. It would be like cutting a hole in a Rolls Royce to stick a Lada sunroof in. It would be ridiculous. So I'm not going to do that. The nut is at least 3mm too short, which means it would fit, but you'd have an area of exposed wood either side of it, and it'd look horrendous. So I'm not going to do that either. So, to summarise the review of these particular items, I'd say don't buy them. And if you have bought them recently, send them back. or if you've just ordered them, cancel the order. These wouldn't improve your guitar at all. Now, it's a known fact that brass has got excellent resonant properties, and it's really good for transferring the sound from the string to the body of the guitar. So there's no disputing that. However, we don't know what this material is. Another problem with these are they're virtually impossible to work with. You'd have to work with an angle grinder or some sort of bench grinder in order just to take them down. And brass is a lot softer. You can work them by hand and get it very accurate with very little effort. So I wouldn't even try to work this down to fit it on a guitar. However, you might find a use for the pegs. They may fit, but I really don't recommend it. I would look for genuine brass parts because they are out there. The next time I buy some quality guitar components, I'll put up a review, and then you'll know where to get the genuine good quality ones without spending too much money. I'm sure you don't have to spend a lot of money, you just have to find the right place to buy them from. And sometime in the future, I'll also make a video that shows you how to make your own. If you've enjoyed this review, or what turned out to be a teardown, then please like and subscribe, and you'll see more when I publish them. Otherwise, if you want to see some guitar lessons, you can find them on my channel and on ebooksforguitar.com. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, it is useful to me.